Okay, yeah, I'll be talking about Alpine, a lightweight Linux distro for DevOps. This is actually like currently one of the best Linux lightweight distro for DevOps. You can use it to test whatever you want to test in short period of time. So I'm actually in the download. You can see the URL. I'm actually in the download directory. So currently I'm installing this in a VM, the virtual, creating a virtual machine for it. Then I've actually, this is what you have to download, this virtual for the virtual machine. Then is what you have to download. Though I've downloaded it here, as you can see. Or you can also download, you can also use the standard version. This is the standard ISO file. I think I also have this too, but I'll be showing you how to install this. So I'll be going to my VM. I'll be creating a new virtual machine. Creating it, you can see I have different virtual machines on Alpine. I've actually been using it and it has been great. So you just come here, you select the file. This is the file. This is for the virtual ISO. This is the virtual ISO file. So this is currently what we want to install. What we want to work with is a Linux distro. So I'm selecting Linux. I'm choosing this. Go to next. I'll be giving it a name here. Let's say Alpine 3. It's already have Alpine, Alpine 2, so I'll be giving this 3. And for me not to get confused, I'll be leaving it default. I'll be bringing it down, giving it 256 MB of RAM. Next, next, next. Then giving it 2 gig, 2 gig of storage. Next, finish, close. So this is actually lightweight. I actually like it, though the command, the installation command are a little different, just a little different. Now for Debian, let me expand this. Okay, here we're to log in. You just log in as root. Then this is how we set it up. Choose yes, yes. Okay, I'll be using Alpine 3 as the local host name. Let's just leave that default local host. Then hit enter, enter, enter. Password for the root. Put in a password for the root. Enter, enter, enter. So what I actually like it is, yeah, I was talking about the commands. Now the commands is a little different. Now okay, come back to this. You just put 28. Now in Debian distros, when you want to install, okay, sorry, let's get back to this. I'll be giving it a name. I'm still using the Alpine 3 as the name. Then the full name of using Alpine video. Full name, give it the password. Password. You hit enter. So now for the Debian distros like Ubuntu, Kali. Now when you want to install it, then we hit enter. Then select SDE. Then here is XYS. When you want to install in Debian distros, you use apt install then the package name, but here is a little slight different. Here we use apk add then the package name. I think that's just the only difference. I actually love it. Like actually love it because it's lightweight and it's fast, like very fast. So for people starting up their DevOps career that would like to test out one or two, you just put one, it's yes. But I like to test out one or two things, you can just use this. As against downloading a Debian distro, maybe for example an Ubuntu server that is worth about 1 point something gig. You can just get this. This is at get this at 50 MB. You test what you want to test and you get done with the project or done with the testing. So that's why I actually recommend this for DevOps, new DevOps startups. So currently we just wait for it to install. Last time I was installing, I think the first time I was installing it, it wasn't as fast as this. I don't really know why it's fast now. It's actually cool. I like the fact that it's fast now. So basically this installation, I think we are doing it in about 3 to 4 minutes, which isn't that long. Assuming this was a Debian distro, man, just the installation alone, the installation of the ISO file, which is about 1 point something gig, will have taken almost all this time. Then the installation process again, that's additional one, let's say 30 minutes, 45 minutes. But this is very fast, and then basically I'll be showing you how to SSH into this device, into this system. So currently you can see it's been installed inside a vmware. So it's done. So let me expand my screen so you can see well. So all I need to do is just reboot. After your installation, all you need to do next is to reboot it. Then if there's any other installation you'd like to do, you can go ahead with it. I think I'll just be doing one installation to show you how it works. So if you can remember, during our installation process, we created a user. We named the user alpine 3. So it's your choice. You either log in as the user or you log in as a root. But currently I want to just show you how to do just single installation on alpine. So this is how we install. We use apk add, then we install nano, and that's it. Very fast, very simple. Thank you guys. I think that will be all for now. So maybe in my next video I'll be showing you how to install a database in my SQL database in alpine.